discuss about a fifth question. From each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut, and also a circle of diameter is 2 cm. If diameter is 2 cm, therefore radius is equal to how much centimeter? 1 cm. 2 cm is cut off as shown in the given figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. We have to find out the remaining portion of the square, that is remaining portion of the square, that is area of the shaded region only, right? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of a square plus area of a circle minus 4 times of quadrant, right? 4 times of area of a quadrant. Very simple. Okay, see here, each quadrant of a circle measures is of measures angle, that is 90 degree. What is the angle? That is a 90 degree. Okay, let us see solution. Each quadrant of a sector, each quadrant of a sector of angle, that is 90 degree in a circle of radius 1 centimeter or 1 centimeter radius, right? Okay, now let us say area of the shaded region is equal to, therefore area of, and I will take here theta is equal to 90 degree and radius of a circle, that is how much centimeter? Half into is cut off, right? Therefore half into 2, which is equal to how much centimeter? 1 centimeter. Okay, area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of a square ABCD. Area of a square ABCD. See, they are given already. From each corner of a square of a side, how much centimeter? 4 centimeter, right? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. If 2 centimeter cut off means that is remaining, that is the diameter of a circle. Therefore, in 2 centimeter is cut off as shown in the given figure. If diameter is 2 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Area of a square ABCD plus area of a circle minus area of a circle minus 4, actually this is minus, okay, minus area of a circle okay, this one I will write here. Area of a square ABCD minus area of a circle plus, okay, I will put bracket here, area of a circle plus 4 times of area of a quadrant. Okay, that is in bracket I will write sector, right? Area of a quadrant, that is sector. Okay, this which implies area of a square ABCD, okay, that is a side square, okay, the side square minus of area of a circle pi r square plus 4 into area of a quadrant, that is theta divided by 360 into pi r square, okay, which implies each side is equal to how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 square minus of pi value is 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to radius of a circle, that is how much centimeter? 1 centimeter. Radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 square plus 4 into theta is equal to 90 degree. Theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to, okay, radius is equal to same. For this also having a 1 centimeter radius, right? Okay, 1 into 1 or 1 square is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 22 divided by 7 into 1 means 22 by 7 plus this is a 0 0 will get cancelled, 9 1 ja 9 4 ja 36, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, right? Okay, 22 by 7 plus 22 divided by 7. Okay, 16 minus of 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7. Okay, which is equal to 16 minus, for both having the same LCM, same denominator, that is LCM is 7, and 22 plus 22 which is equal to 44. 44, which implies 7 into 16 which is equal to 7 6 is 42, that is 112 minus 44 divided by 7, which implies, okay, is equal to 112 minus 44 which is equal to 68. Okay, 68 divided by 7 square centimeter. This is the result. This is right answer. Therefore, area of a shaded region is equal to 68 divided by 7 square centimeter. Okay, we do a subtraction, correctly will be there are 12 minus 4 which is equal to 8 and remaining here 10, 10 minus 4 which is equal to 6. Let us discuss about 6th question. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed, okay, leaving an equilateral triangle. Design is formed here, right, like a zigzag. Okay, triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Find the area of the design. Okay, we need to find out the area of the design. Area of the design which is equal to area of a circle minus area of triangle. Simple. Okay. See here. Given radius of a circle, right? Given radius of a circle. Given radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is equal to how much centimeter? Here cover a radius 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. And here we have to construct here. Okay, AD is the median. They will not give here. Okay, we have to construct. Radius is equal to 30 centimeter. That is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. I'll use. Okay. Next, construction. Join AD. Okay. Join AD on BC on base BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, and also join OC and OB. Join OC and OB. I will join this one. Okay, this also need. Okay. Join OC and OB. See here, in a circular cover a radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. See, an equilateral triangle must be, three sides are equal, right? Therefore, this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree and this is also 60 degree, right? Okay, if 60 degree, I joined here OB and OC. Okay, here 60 degree means here half. Here 30 degree, here 30 degree, here also 30 degree. 30 plus 30 how much here? 60. 60 means 180 minus 60 which is equal to, this angle is 120, right? Angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. Okay, See, join OC and OB, we will get in a triangle OBC, right? In triangle OBC, angle OBC plus angle OCA, OCB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, right? Here angle OBC is equal to 30 degree, right? Angle OBC is equal to, that is half of ABD, means that is 30 degree only. Therefore, here we will get here 30 degree plus OCB is equal to also 30 degree, plus we need to find out angle BOC is equal to 180. Therefore, this is 60 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. Angle BOC, right? Angle BOC is equal to 120 degree we get. Okay, simple I will tell. See, now first we need to find out here area of a circle, right? Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, because area of design is equal to area of a circle minus area of a triangle. Very simple. Okay, before need to find that area of triangle, because area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Base is BC, we don't know how much it is, right? Even height is AD is equal to how much we don't know. We need to prove that. Okay, area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to how much centimeter as given here, 32 centimeter. See, 32 centimeter. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, having the same radius, into radius is equal to how much centimeter here, 32 into 32, which is equal to here 22 into 32 into 32. If you multiply, we will get here area of pi r square, which is equal to 22528 divided by 7 square centimeter. Now area of an equilateral triangle, right? Area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle is equal to, that is half into base into height. Here half into base into height, half into base is BC into height is AD. We need to prove that. Okay, before that we need to know base BC and AD, right? See, here I have taken in triangle OBC, already we done here angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, here if it is 120 degree, therefore angle BOD and angle CDO. Okay, let us see now. In triangle ODB, angle ODB is equal to, this angle is 90 degree. In angle ODB is equal to, therefore here OB square is equal to don't use the Pythagoras rule, just I will prove that angle BOD is equal to, in triangle ODB angle BOD is equal to half of angle BOC. That is half into angle BOC, that is 120 to 1 ja 260 ja is equal to 60 degree. Okay, here angle BOD is equal to angle COD, both are equal. Okay, angle BOD is equal to angle COD is equal to, this is also 60 degree. So now we can apply sin theta and cos theta. Okay, see here, sin O opposite is BD, divided BD, okay, divided by hypotenuse, that is OB, is is equal to, here sin would BD by OB, yes sin O. Now we can use sin, what is the angle here? Sin 60 degree also. Okay, in triangle BOD it is sin 60 degree is equal to, BD is equal to how much? We don't know, we need to prove that. BD divided by OB, OB is equal to radius, that is how much? 32. Sin 60, what is the formula for sin 60? That is root 3 by 2. Okay, you are going to learn in trigonometrical ratios. Okay, root 3 by 2 is equal to BD divided by 32. Okay, see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. BD is equal to 16 root 3. BD is equal to 16 root 3. If BD is equal to 16 root 3 means here BC is equal to 2 times of BD. BC is equal to 2 times of BD. Therefore BC is equal to 2 into 16 root 3. That is BC is equal to 16 2 is how much? 32 root 3. Okay, see BC, we got BC. Okay, now we got base. Now we need to know that is the height. See here already OA is equal to 32 centimeter is there. Therefore we need to prove that OD, right? Okay, now we can apply this side cos. Okay, cos O. Cos O is equal to, for this adjacent is OD. Okay, for this adjacent is OD divided by hypotenuse is OC. Okay, cos, now we can apply cos 60 degree angle. See here 120 is there na, BOC, BOD is equal to 60 and even COD is equal to also 60. I taken here. Okay, this is very important. COD is equal to 60, cos 60 is equal to, and OD is equal to how much? We don't know, we need to prove that. Okay, and OC is equal to here 32 centimeter. And what is the trigonometrical formula of cos 60 degree? Cos, okay, here trigonometrical formula of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 is equal to OD is as it is. We need to find out and divided by OC is equal to 32 we have taken here. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 16 ja 32, and by cross multiplication OD is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, and now AD we need, because AD is an height. Therefore AD is equal to AO plus OD. Therefore AD is equal to AO plus OD. AO is they are given 32. Okay, 32 centimeter plus OD is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, therefore AD is equal to, after adding we will get here 48 centimeter. Okay, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 plus 3 4. Okay, now we have to now those values we have to put in this area of equilateral triangle, half into base into height. Let us see now. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into BC. Base is 32 root 3 into AD. Height is, that is how much centimeter? 48 centimeter. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. Okay, is equal to here 16 into 48. 16 into 48 which is equal to, we will get 768, right? 768 root 3. Okay, 768 root 3 square centimeter. Now it is very easy to find out area of design. Area of design is equal to area of square. Okay, sorry, area of a circle. Area of a circle minus area of an equilateral triangle. Got it? Okay, now area of design. Okay, area of design is equal to, area of design is equal to area of a circle minus area. Okay, area of a circle minus area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, which is equal to area of a circle formula. So already we got here a solution. 22528 divided by 7 minus area of an equilateral triangle is 768. 768 square root of 3. Okay, square centimeter. This is right answer. Okay.